Okay, right, so what we need to do is look towards me, okay? So can you look towards me? Can you tell me which finger's moving?
This.
Okay, which finger's moving?
This.
Okay, which finger's moving?
This.
Okay, have you got any problems with your taste or smell?
No.
No? Okay, that's great. And what we're going to do is shine the light in your eye, okay? So look over my shoulder. Okay, that's great. Look over my shoulder. Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay, what we need to do is, if you just keep your head still and follow this pen, okay? So keep your head still, just with your eyes, just with your eyes. Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay, good, 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 good. Okay, close your eyes as tight as you can. Don't let me open them. Okay, don't let me open them. Don't let me open them. Okay, can you feel this? Can you feel that?
Yeah.
Can you feel that?
Yeah.
Can you hear that?
Yeah.
Can you hear that?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Open your eyes. Can you show me your teeth? Okay. Can you puff your cheeks out for me, please? Can you stick your tongue out for me, please? And move your tongue from side to side. Okay. Can you frown for me? Frown, frown, frown up with your muscles. Okay, that's great. And can you just say ah for me as wide as you can?
Ah.
Say ah.
Ah.
Say ah.
Ah.
Again, and stick your tongue out. Okay, and clench your teeth and clench your jaw for me. That's great. Clench your jaw. Clench your jaw. Okay, push against my hand. Push against my hand. Okay, shrug your shoulders for me. Okay, perfect.